Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the 403 forbidden error on Chrome. Let's get into it. First, initialize the Technical Studio manifest and cookie purge. Open Chrome settings, navigate to Privacy and Security, and Technicality select Clear Browsing Data. Under the Advanced tab, Technicality check the boxes for cookies and other site data and cached images and files, ensuring the time range is set to all time for the latest professional purge. This step technicality points your studio rig toward a clean verification path, ensuring the latest high-end data tunnels are technicality open and free from expired authentication markers. Next, execute high-end system Incognito diagnostic verification. Open a new Incognito window by technicality pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus N and attempt to access the high-end URL. If the page loads successfully, technicality navigate to Chrome, extensions and toggle off all professional tools one by one until the latest conflict is isolated. It removes the accumulated data weight from your high-end system, ensuring your studio build functions with professional fluidity during latest matches with the server. Next, configure professional DNS and gateway optimization. Open the command prompt as an administrator and technicality type ipconfig flush DNS, followed by ipconfig renew. After flushing, technicality ensure your high-end VPN or proxy is disabled to verify your native studio connection for the latest session. It prepares your studio environment to handle the intense data throughput of the latest web protocols without being technicality flagged by server-side security filters. And that's it. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.